Now listen. 10 grams to 10 liters. At the third day, you have given them 10 grams to 10 liters. 5 grams to 5 liters for 2 days. At the third day, you change. What do you change? You now change to the same 10 grams to 5 liters. The water is reduced. Not the nutrient, but the water. At the third day, you now also give 10 grams, the same 10 gram measurement. You now put it into 5 liters of water. Not the same 10 grams to 10 liters. Because that 10 grams to 10 liters is the infant dose. That 10 grams to 5 grams to 5 liters is the infant dose. By the time they drink that for 2 days, you change. On the third day, you change. On that third day, you now use the same 10 grams, add it to how many liters of water now?
5 liters.
If you want to use 5 grams, you add it to how many liters of water now? 2.5 liters. Are we understanding it? Yes. Now, this is how you continue it until the birds are mature. You don't give them ordinary water. Any water you give the birds must contain this nutrient in this proportion. At 5 weeks, 5 solid weeks, if you maintain this measurement, your babe is going to weigh more than 2 kg. You give them enough food. Give them enough food. Give them nutritious food. You don't go and give them anything because it is the nutrient in the feed that they eat and their body will absorb. Did you get the water? In the first day, what do you do? After 2 days, what do you do? That is on water. Now you come to feed. Inside their feed, you give 10 grams, the same 10 grams, 4 kg in their feed. 4 kg. If you bring 10 grams, you mix it with 4 kg of their feed. It will get 10 grams. It's in 4 kg of their feed. You mix it. As they are drinking the water, contains the nutrient. They are also eating the feed, contain the nutrient. Are you getting me? In their feed, how do you keep it? How do you do it? In their feed, you put 10 grams to how many kg? 4 kg. Now, in that of the feed, if you want, you can take 6 spoons. This is 100 grams. I take how many spoons? I took 10 grams. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That's how many? 60 grams. Is that true? And then you put it in the 25 kg bag. Because a feed is always in 25 kg. Am I right? So you now put it to 25 kg of their feed. Do not go to mix it in 100 bags. No. What I mean is, you bring 100 bags, you bring it to. Only mix in 1 bag because you are sure they'll finish that bag. Before 7 days, they'll finish that bag. Are you understanding what I'm saying? So that somebody don't go and mix it in their feed and it eat for months. water, make sure you give them the water daily as you give them the feed. Do not mix the water and keep. As you mix it, give them the water you know they can be able to finish, and you put another one. Don't go to bring 50 liters of water and you carry the nutrients, walk inside it, and then you be shaking and be giving to them. It's wrong. Give it to them fresh. As you give them feed daily, also give them water what? Daily. Do you understand this? If your bird always eat in the day, they will not give you the needed weight. Birds eat in the day and also eat in the night. Make sure you have light system. Provide light for them that they can be able to see and eat in the night. That night meal is always important to birds. They will wake up and drink. They also wake up and do what? Eat. Have enough light system in your poultry. When we say the light in this poultry is enough, what should be the capacity of the light? If this is my poultry farm, I put light here. If I walk in with this book, sorry, if I walk into this poultry farm and I can use this light to read, like I have this time now, see what Mama wrote here now. If I can read with it, that light is said to be enough. But if you don't have to generate such density of light, but make sure you have at least a light capacity that the birds can wake up and see where their feed is. Do you understand me? Yes. Now, when you do this to them, you put it in their feed the way I've said it, put in their water the way I've said it, and then you put light for them to be eating in the day and eating in the night. In 5 weeks' time, your bird must weigh over 2 kg. And then you sell them. If you used to put your bird up to 8 weeks, up to 12 weeks, and it will give you 2 kg. Now, this 2 kg, you can achieve it in 5 weeks, not in 8 weeks. You have saved feed you're supposed to spend in 3 weeks. Is that true?
Yes.
So you have saved cost. And if you start giving the birds this nutrient in their water, watch very, very well. Some of you will complain, and I'll hear your complaint. You call me. The moment you put this in the water and they are drinking, the aroma, there's an aroma in this nutrient. It will always be attracting the bird to come and drink. So they will be drinking more water than eating feed. You also save money from the feed because as they are drinking more water, they are not eating so radical. They will always be going to that water drinking. If before your bird used to drink 1 gallon, the moment you start giving the nutrient, they will drink up to 10 gallons. Because they will be drinking. They wake up and drink. They wake up and drink. And it is the intake of these nutrients in their water, in their feed, that makes the absorption rate to be high. Are you understanding me?
Yes.
Are you understanding me? Yes. So you can achieve that. I'm also going to teach us how you can achieve odorless poultry farm. Your poultry will not be stinking. You can have your poultry in your house. People will walk in and go around. They will never know there's poultry there. There will be no odor. I'm going to learn that one in this process.